Hey guys, it's me Katie, and today we're doing airplane part 3. Oh my god, I thought I saw a person up there. There's a person up there. Oh my god, guys. So there's no one really here, but General should be meeting soon. Oh my god, that's such a pretty suit. I really like the color. Okay, I think we're gonna do this one, I guess. Oh, okay, well, it's not as lucky, but it is kind of still laggy. Ooh, pretty. That's really pretty, actually. Now, what does this go to? What does this do? Oh, I think I know what she did. She did that and then hit leave her just because. Should make it look cool. What are the notes saying? Secret mission, secret mission, secret mission. All secret missions. Okay, guys, I've been recording for 1 minute, and we're doing airplane part 3, as you can see on the screen. I'm actually really tired, kind of still, as I said in the last 2 videos that are being uploaded right now, and you will see them in a second. Secret missions. Oh my god, how many secret missions? I'm gonna sit right here. Welcome, everybody. You're probably wondering why I gathered you guys here. Well, you didn't really, but okay, thanks. No problem. Airplane Story 3. I really like that intro. As it goes up. Ooh, and it fades away. That's nice. Got flags too. Robloxian flags. I'm not the Robloxian State Army General. I am the Robloxian State's Army General. You can call me General Pacho. Okay, good. Ooh, that's pretty. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order. Of course, sir. Or else you'll be expelled from the team. Oh my. Of course, sir. People do as you say. Now, please take a seat. Are they sitting all the way down there, though? Okay, I'm sure I see what the rest of the group. Well, I did sit away with the group once. He got up. Let's get to the point. I think he tried to get up and then sit back down, but he didn't. Let's get to the point. Sorry. Objective. Not sure. What about it? What about this man? This is our target. We're gonna kill him? His name is Ronald. Oh, just like the other person. Oh my god, he's like the president that we got last time in the last video. His name is Ronald. We have investigated him, and now we know he's a danger. What did he do? That is where we're heading. Ronald has kidnapped the captain of a family. Oh no! Everybody in that plane must be in danger. And probably scared to death. That's right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode. Good. Which means everyone is safe. Oh, they're a little gray. A little gloomy. Our mission is to stop Ronald. Sorry for a little teen movie. No, I'm just kidding. Sorry if you can hear much background sound. I'm not trying to do that. We need to find the plane and get everyone out safely. We'll find Ronald's intentions and bring him to justice. But how will we get the plane? I'll get to the plane. Sorry. Good question. Follow me. Ooh. Well, oh my god, I wonder what pretty suits they have, because I saw someone had a suit. That was pretty. Oh, I wonder if I can hop on this. That looks so pretty. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, we're here. Is everybody else coming? Everyone ready? Come on. How does he have a suit? Okay, whatever, sure. Yeah, I'm ready. Ooh, look at the blue thing. I want to touch it. Everyone ready? Everyone is ready, sir. Oh my. Going down. Oh, going down. Oh, I want to go up. Wait. there's 2. Yeah. Bye-bye, losers. Oh, this is cool. Oh my god. Okay, that's fun. Ooh, I like that sticker. That's cool. Or emoji, or whatever it is. But it looks so cool. Oh my god. Welcome to the military cave. Wow, this is so cool. Ooh, look at that thing. This is nice. That is how we're going to save the airplane from Ronald. Wow, that is big. But first, let's get everyone set up. Okay. Oh my god, I didn't notice these. Can I get this one? Yeah, I got blue. Take an outfit from behind you. Okay. We are ready. Ready. Actually, I like the green one, kind of. I want the green one. Give the green one. Yeah. I like the green better. Looking good. I believe we are ready. Oh, thanks. Let's check the system. Okay, have fun. Oh, I want to go somewhere. Whatever. Let's go. Checking the plane. Okay, I'm gonna go. Since it does have to go this way, I'll go this way. I want to go to yellow one. Not enough fuel. No. Oh no, it looks like we don't have enough fuel. Yes, it's on the screen flashing. We need to fill the plane tank completely before we can take off. Okay. Ooh, I saw a yellow thing. I think that's one of the fuels. That's a fuel nozzle. There's 4 of them around the cave. Okay, perfect. I think I know what I'm doing. I think I need you to help me connect them to the plane. Okay, perfect. Connect the nozzles to the plane depending on its color. Okay, I think yellow one's on the other side. Oh, yeah, yellow and blue. But tonight. Ooh, why is blue? Oh, I thought it was like. Okay, this is kind of slow, but okay. I don't know why I need that. I thought I could like jump maybe, but not. Okay. How do I click on it? Oh, there we go. Okay. Boom. There we go. I'm doing it. This teddy bear over there. I want to go get it. Okay, there we go. 1. Okay. I want to get the teddy bear first. Sorry. Yeah, I got the teddy. Sorry. Okay, time to do. I don't want to. Oh my god, I almost fell off. This is actually easy. I don't know why I did the yellow one first. They kind of knock you a little bit, like push you. Oh my god. It's scary. Yeah, he got the teddy bear too. There we go. Excellent. All the nozzles are connected. I got the teddy bear too. Filling the tank now. Sorry. Filling the tank now. This is actually so much fun right now. And though this phone is at 29%, I'll do this. I will get through. I will do this before this phone dies. Now we are ready. Well, is it gonna land on me? I don't want to die. But crash by it. Hello? Oh no. I almost forgot. That's Pilot Clark. Who's the other one? He'll be the pilot throughout this mission. Who's the other pilot? System is ready, General. Okay. I'll turn on. Please start the engine, pilot. Starting the engine. Did he leave? Is it just me now? Good. Yay. Before we close, now get in there and find a seat before we close the door. Okay, I'm gonna sit right across here. Actually, I want to sit right here. There we go. This one also has one. The teddy bear. Can't leave its teddy bear friend. Well, I can just. I actually think I look kind of green. I look better. I think I kind of good in green. Well, my character, not me. I look better in blue. Good luck, soldiers. Good luck, teddy bear. Bye-bye. We're leaving its pretty. Good luck, soldier. Wait, are you leaving us? Are you leaving us? Oh no! Did he leave? Is it just me? No, he's still here. Because I didn't see him for a second. I don't see him. There's something about this Ronald guy. At first, he looks like a good person. Yeah. Why would he do something like that? I don't know. People have weird fetishes. General, what are these bananas for? Wait, what bananas? I don't see no bananas. Where could he be? I don't see bananas. Oh. Everyone have a banana. I'll take a banana. Why not? You might need the energy for later. Good idea. Wait. Don't eat the bananas. It's poisoned. But I just eat it. Or ate it. What? Oh, well, Lucy laughs at me. Ha. I'm just kidding. Okay, great. You better be just kidding. That's not very funny, General. Now, where's my friend? Great. I'm gonna take a nap in this chair. So I'm gonna take a nap in this chair. I will wake you up when it's time. Okay. Good night, guys. I'm gonna get my blanket. Actually, it's right here. I'm on the couch and I'm tired. Okay, guys. Time to wake up, everyone. Time to wake up, everyone. It's nighttime. And it looks like we're inside a storm. No, it looks like we're still inside our place, but okay. We're being struck by lightning. Oop. Oh, now it looks like we're in a storm. Our right motor is in critical danger. Oh no. Does that mean we're gonna die? Okay, everyone. Chill. I don't think you tell us to chill. I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover me out there. Wait. Out there. Sorry, guys, about this. It's really a bad experience because everything is really laggy. So, you don't actually get to see the full thing. Just pretend there's like a storm. And he's not saying good luck, soldiers. This is so scary. We're not even up there, though. I don't think this is worth it. Can I just leave the plane? I mean, haven't even took off yet for me. Think guys, well, since it's not working, I think I'm just gonna leave the game. But anyways, hope you had a great day. And I will see you later in a while. But I'm gonna see for a second. Wait, I'm gonna see if it teleports me. Yeah, I'm gonna leave. Anyways, I'll be on Bloxburg in the next video, so I will see you guys later and have a great time doing things, I guess.